Got a quick Dollar Tree haul. Yeah, let me show you what I found at the Dollar Tree today, guys. All right, this is a tablet stand. It's a hard plastic. I thought that was a pretty good item because if I ever do an event and I use my tablet for checkout to bring customers up, I could always lay it on here. Or if you work a lot on your tablet, I think that is a pretty good deal for $1 if you don't have the type of tablet cover that actually has a stand inside of it. All right, so of course I had to get some dry erase little markers because I got some dry erase boards that were $1. I thought that was a great deal. This is a to-do list, a do it now, a do it later. Look how big that is. I think that is a great deal, guys. Great deal. Okay, and they also had the planner style. Okay. So this one's great because you're able to just write your dates in and use it over and over. And you got a section for notes on the side, pretty large as well. You can see how big it is in comparison to the tablet stand, quite big. All right, moving on. We're gonna try these things out to let you know if they were good or not. Okay, Good Times. And they had another one also, but I decided to get this because I just need some little flag, little sticky notes that I can put on documents reminding people to sign them. Okay, so, and a little built-in sticky notes. I can put that on my desk. I thought that was cute. Next, I got these pack of pens for $1. They've got these little decorative little fashion pens. I'm gonna check them out and see if they write good. I'll let you know. And I think that's it. So let's see how this works out. The fact that these pens have the little dry eraser on the end. So let's see how they write. Oh yeah, they write good. Oh yeah, these write real good. They dark too. I love it. Okay, let's see how the little eraser thing does. Yep, it does great. Yeah, this was a good deal for $2. If you're trying to get organized, it's New Year, you're trying to get started on a new, organized self, let's do it with these $1 dry erase boards. You can spare $1. You can spare $1 for the board and $2 including the pen. So you can spend $2 to organize your life, okay? Let's see what we got over here. Yeah. Okay, it writes good. It's dark. I like that. You know how some dry erase pens you get and they're cheap and they don't do well. So this is going to be great. I'm going to use this. I'm definitely going to use this. I have a large dry erase board in my craft room. So I'm probably not going to buy it for this, but I actually bought these for my office. Okay. So this and this I'm going to use. Yes, indeed. Let's try the fashion pens. All right, so I'm gonna tell you right now, if these pens don't work, I'm taking them back. Yeah, they write. They write pretty smooth. I like a little thicker point, but that's okay. I mean, it's okay for just having in my purse, looking cute and writing with my planner. Yeah, they'll work. All of them worked. Got the little click top. Got the little rubber where the gripper part is. So yeah, I'm pleased with that. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this little Dollar Tree haul. Go check out the organization items that they have at Dollar Tree because they've got some great planner items because it is the first of the year. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.